Lucas, did you know most people feel sick every day just because they need water?
Wait, what? No way. Just water?
Yeah, really just water, like a normal glass of water.
I don't believe you, Luna. Every day?
Every single day. Welcome to English Pod Center, guys.
Oh, right. Hi, guys. I'm Lucas.
And I'm Luna. Today we're talking about simple health problems.
Yeah, like when you feel bad, like really bad.
Exactly, like when your head hurts.
Ugh, I hate that. My head like goes boom, boom, boom.
Right. Boom, boom. That's a funny way to say it.
Why does it do that, Luna? Like, why does my head hurt?
Well, mostly it's a water problem. You're dry.
Dry? Like a towel?
No, not a towel. Think about a plant.
Okay, a plant. A green plant.
Yeah. If you don't give water to a plant, what happens?
It dies?
Well, yes, but first it looks sad. It goes down.
Oh, it gets tired. The plant is tired.
Exactly. Your brain is like that sad plant.
Wait, my brain is a plant?
No, it's just an example. They act the same.
Oh, I get it. So no water, sad brain.
Yes, sad brain means your head hurts. Boom, boom, boom.
Wow, that's so simple.
I know, right? People take medicine, but they just need water.
I never drink water. I just drink coffee.
Oh no, Lucas. Coffee makes you more dry.
Wait, really? But it is water. It's black water.
No, coffee takes water out of your body.
That's so bad. Why does coffee do that?
It's just how it works. So step 1 for health, drink water.
Okay, drink water. Got it. What's next?
Another big problem is a bad stomach.
Oh man, my stomach hurts a lot.
Really? Why? What do you eat?
I eat very fast. Like zoom, the food is gone.
Ah, that's the problem right there.
Eating fast is bad, but I'm so hungry.
I know, but think about a small box.
Okay, a box. Like a shoebox?
Sure, your stomach is like a small box.
Okay, my stomach is a shoebox.
If you put things in the box slowly, it's fine.
Right, nice and slow.
But if you throw everything in very fast, what happens?
The box breaks?
It gets too full. It hurts.
Oh, now I get it. Too much food too fast.
Exactly. Your body says, stop. I need time.
So slow down. Just eat slow.
Yes, chew your food, like a lot.
Chew? You mean like with my teeth?
Yes, use your teeth. That's why we have them.
I thought they were just for smiling.
Ugh, Lucas, you're crazy. But really, chew your food.
Okay, so we have drink water and eat slow.
Right. 2 very simple things, but people forget.
I always forget. Wait, what about sleep? Does sleep help?
Sleep is, well, it's very important.
Really? More important than water?
Maybe the same. Think about your phone, Lucas.
My phone? Like my cell phone?
Yes. When the battery is low, what do you do?
I plug it in. I charge it.
Exactly. Sleep is like charging your body.
Oh, so I am a phone.
Yes, you are a very big phone.
And my battery is always at 1%.
Yes, because you don't sleep.
It's true. I watch TV too late.
Right, and then you wake up and your head hurts.
Yes, headaches. Why do I get headaches?
Because your brain is tired. It needs a break.
So a headache is like an alarm?
Yes, perfect. It's a little alarm inside your head.
It says, hey, go to bed.
Exactly. But what do people do instead?
We drink coffee. Lots of coffee.
Right. We drink coffee, not water, not sleep.
Is that bad? I really love coffee.
Coffee is okay, but it's a trick.
Wait, a trick? Coffee tricks my brain?
Yes, it hides the tired feeling.
Wow, I didn't know that.
So, simple problem, headache. Simple answer, sleep.
Sleep. Okay, I will try. But wait, what about my back?
Your back? Does your back hurt?
Yeah, always. Right here. Ouch.
Well, look at you right now. How are you sitting?
I am sitting badly, like a banana.
Yes, you sit exactly like a banana.
Hey, it's comfortable. I like being a banana.
But it's very bad for your back, Lucas.
Why? My back is just resting, right?
No, it's not resting. It is bending the wrong way.
Bending the wrong way. So it hurts later.
Right. Our bodies need to move. They like to be straight.
But I work at my desk all day. I have to sit.
Everyone does. It is a very, very common problem.
So what is the fix? Do I stand all day long?
No, just take small breaks. Very small.
Like, how small? 5 minutes?
Even less. Every hour, stand up for 2 minutes.
Just 2 minutes, that's it?
Yes, stand up, stretch your arms, reach up.
Like this? Oh, wow, that feels good.
See? Your back says thank you.
It cracked. Did you hear that loud crack?
I heard it. You are getting old, my friend.
No way. I am young. I am strong.
Young, strong, and sitting like a banana.
Okay, Luna, you win.
So let's review. We have 3 simple fixes today.
Drink water for a bad stomach.
Right? And the second one?
Sleep more. Charge the phone battery.
Perfect. And the third one?
Stop being a banana. Stand up and stretch.
Yes, no bananas allowed here.
Only straight trees, like a strong tree.
Exactly. So I want everyone listening to try something right now.
Wait, right now? Like the second?
Yes, right now. It is practice time.
Uh-oh, I am ready. What do we do?
Take a deep breath and sit up straight.
Okay. Doing it. Wow, my back cracked again.
See? Now roll your shoulders back.
Like a circle?
Yes, like a big circle. Roll them back.
Oh, wow, that actually feels really good.
Right? It takes like what, 2 seconds?
Yeah, literally 2 seconds.
And it fixes the banana back.
I love that. Banana back is gone.
It is so easy, Lucas. Simple health problems need simple fixes.
Yeah, I always think it is a big problem.
A lot of people do. They think, oh no, my head hurts. I am very sick.
Yes, I always Google it and think I am dying.
No, do not ask Google.
I know. Google always says that it's really bad.
Exactly. But usually you just need water.
Just water. Crazy.
Or you need sleep. Your battery is at like 1%.
My battery is red, flashing red.
Yes. So before you worry, try the big 3.
Water, sleep, and not being a banana?
You got it. Okay, now I have a challenge for everyone listening.
Ooh, a challenge. I like challenges. What is it, Luna?
I want you to think about your day today.
Okay, thinking.
What is your biggest simple health problem?
Oh, like, do you have a headache or a tired back?
Yes, or a bad stomach. Think about it.
And then what?
And then fix it. Today.
Oh, just do it today.
Yes. Drink a big glass of water right now.
Or stand up from your chair.
Exactly, Lucas. Take control of your body.
I am going to sleep early tonight. No more flashing red battery.
I will believe that when I see it.
Hey, I can do it. I am a strong tree now.
A strong tree needs sleep too.
That is true. Very true.
So tell us, guys, what is your simple fix today?
Yeah, tell us in the comments.
We read all of them. I love reading them.
Me too. Someone tell me they have a banana back too, please.
You are not alone, Lucas.
I hope not.
All right, that is all for today.
Wow, that went so fast.
It really did. Thank you for listening to English Pod Center.
Yeah, thank you guys. Please subscribe.
Yes, hit the follow button. We are here every week.
Drink your water, sleep well, and stand up.
See you next time at English Pod Center. Bye.
Bye, everyone. No bananas.